Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my Hummer H2. This is year model 2008. In the previous video where I posted my video for Hummer H2 set, I recharged the air conditioning system. My air conditioning is not working on Hummer. The climate control unit has gone bad. I said I'm going to bring the video to you. The climate control module, I'm going to replace it. So let's get started. So as you can see, inside my Hummer, I already opened the whole panel. This is the panel which goes right in the middle. And how to remove that panel, I have a posted video on my channel, so please check it out. And how we going to open it, that I'm going to share with you. Clip right here, press a little bit and then you pull it. You put your hand here, pry this out. There is a clip on the back that comes out. This side, the clip comes out. Okay, the bigger screwdriver, that helps better. You just have to be very gentle. You don't force it too much. If you force it, then you will break it. Then it's not worth it. This one now comes out. Electrical connector for this one, and then pull it on the back for the clock. How smoothly, clearly, easily we removed it. We're going to replace the module. So this is the module, and right now it takes two screws on the side, one on this side, one on this side. Once you remove the screws, you pull this one out. And on the back, there are connectors. I'm going to remove the connector, then I'll share with you. Let me remove it. Each one of them, you press the button like this. You press that and then you pull it. So you take it out from here. And this is the old one. It's not working anymore. And this is the new one, which we need to put it in. The same scenario, we're going to put it in, press it in. There is no mistake, you can do it because this is big, small, big, then this is the smaller green one goes on the side. And now, same scenario, we put it back and we're going to put the screws in and I'm going to start it. I'm just going to test it. This is a clock, this is traction control, and this is the reset thing. So I'm going to start it and see if the job is successful. We're going to lower the temperature to 60. It's a hot day. I'm feeling much better. The climate control module was gone bad. That's how you replace it. I'm feeling so good. Oh. All the air coming right in here and feeling so good. Nice and cold. I'm going to put back the panel. Before I do that, I'm going to put those two screws in. Then once we plug the connectors back in, I'll press it in. And that's how it's easy and simple. You change your climate control module on Hummer H2. And this is year model 2008. If this video helped you out, like always, like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.